So if you clicked on this video, then you already know what's going down. I am unboxing my new iPad Generation 9, and this is 656 gigabytes. Guys, I'm so excited. I've been meaning to get this for quite a while, but I just was like not willing to do it. But I woke up today and I was just like, why not? Why not? I work hard. Why not get this? So I am unboxing my first iPad ever, and this is Generation 9, 256 gigabytes. So I'll be unboxing it and then setting it up with you guys. I also have some of the other gadgets with me. So I went ahead and bought the Apple Pencil. Ooh, so I'm excited about that. And then I went ahead and bought a case, and it comes with a case and a keyboard with them. So without anything ado, let's jump right in. Okay, so let's go ahead and get it done. So like I said, I've been meaning to get this thing for quite a while, but I was just checking it out, didn't want it to get it, but I was like, girl, let me go get this thing. First of all, I know I'm struggling to open this thing up. Not a surprise at all, since they be wrapping these things tight. Okay, finally got the sticker out. See, push this thing back a little bit so you guys can see. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Let's go ahead and open it up. Get that open. Wow, so this is how the inside looks like. The inside, so it comes with this, which is the charger, and well, this is the base. They'll go ahead, the charger, and then I'm guessing this is a pamphlet that comes with it. And then at last, guys, it is the iPad. Wow, they really be wrapping these things up good. Okay. So this is the Holy Grail. This is the iPad. Looks good. So I got the gray color. To be honest, it doesn't matter because this thing is gonna be in a case, so it doesn't matter to me whatsoever. So that's that. Let's go ahead and open the box that comes with this. So that's this that I got, and I got all of these things from Best Buy, of course. I have a love and hate relationship with Best Buy. I have really a love and hate relationship with Best Buy, but whatever. So this is how it looks like. So this is that. Looks good. One of the things I like about this is that you can basically go in, just kind of flip it around and stuff, and then you can basically fold it all the way up. So that's like a lot to do with this. So that's why I bought this. So that's that. So let's go ahead and get this thing up and rolling. Make sure I got this right. And unbox this. Hopefully this will be easier to unbox. I feel like this is like the biggest splurge that I ever made for myself. Like I said, I normally never spent anything whatsoever on myself. So the fact that I'm even much doing this, to be honest, I'm like really proud of myself for that, because your girl then had leveled up. So it comes with this pen right here, and then the tip that comes already with it. It also comes with this gadget. So the tip of the pen, which is this, and then the bottom of it, this is the charging piece right here. So everything is good to go, guys. So that's it. Thank you guys so much for tuning in with me, for me to unbox and basically set up my iPad. Comment below if you guys have any questions or any tips for me with this new gadget. But I'm excited to see, and I will see you guys in my next video, y'all.